So hey, what's guys, my name is Mainak. In my previous videos I showed you that how am I learning these days. I show you that I started trading and calisthenic, and I want some suggestions about video editing. If someone of you knows how to edit videos, I am really confusing in video editing. If you can review my shorts, in the shorts you can see the aspect ratio is, I am struggling with it, like exporting in CapCut, in which it was exporting in 9:16, but it was creating a lot of problem. And I just want to tell you that can you review my shorts so I can figure out how to actually export it and many other stuffs. And I'm really confusing about editing. I am also not familiar with effects and many other things. You can see I am doing car edit, and if you looked at my shorts, you can figure out that there are a lot of mistakes, and I am really struggling in my video editing journey. If you can, if you want to help me, then please comment down below so I can figure out what are my problems and how can I solve them. And in there are many other things I want to know about in CapCut, as there are, like, in popular car edits, if you look at them properly you can see they are actually doing very cool effects and overlaying and many other stuffs, and I am really confusing that how can I actually do it. That's why I want your help to understand everything. If you have any suggestions, so please let me know in the comments. And also, in this journey I am really struggling a lot, like in Coursera. If you have, so in Coursera there are many courses, but actually there's a quite problem, like in, I saw in YouTube that we can audit the courses, but when I went to the Coursera in the app in Play Store, there I have found out that the audit is actually not there. There is actually something like preview, and in which I didn't get any full access. I just want the courses, but I don't want the certificate. I just want the course, and I'm also struggling with it. So if you have any suggestions, you can also let me know that how can I audit the full course. And just this much I want to tell in this video. So I just want to say one thing: please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel, so to support me. So let's learn something new with each other. So stay tuned for my next videos.